Here's a little solar experiment. This is an LED replacement fixture. Not really the whole fixture, but what you're supposed to replace your bulbs with. If you have fluorescent bulbs, you buy one of these, stick it in, use electricity, and the world is a wonderful place. However, the ends, they break. And so you wind up with this little piece getting shoved into the bulb. Let's just call this whole thing a bulb. The whole thing breaks. Then you got to climb way up to the ceiling, pull it down, and either repair it or throw it out or recycle it, whatever you want to do. So I pulled the guts out. I have a theory here, and the theory is that light hitting these LEDs is going to give us voltage, because just hook that up. All right, because I heard that you can do just the opposite with LEDs. You know, will they make light, but they will absorb light and make a voltage. So you can see there's nothing left inside this bulb. So I took out all the guts. So I'm going to try to hold this camera while I do it. Hook it up to the negative. Hook it up to the positive. Oops. There we go. So it's facing down. And what do we got? We have 2 something volts. As we face the sun, whoops, we just shorted. All right, get these terminals away from each other. All right, so we have 47 volts off of this one set of LEDs. Now, I believe these are arranged in halves. So half of this, and then the other half comes out over here. So I'm using 1/4 of the potential here of this bulb. So if I wire all 4 of these together, end to end, and just use 2 leads, I'll still get 47 volts, but I'll get higher amperage. But if I wire them in a series, then I'll get higher voltage. And I'm doing this to just prove a theory. So if I run my hand over, if I get in the way of the sun, it degrades it significantly. I can't even see this on the camera because of the sun glare out here. And there's a lot of people who are going to say that I've got some kind of battery somewhere. But I want to show you again. There's nothing inside here. And that this is just a double row of LEDs. It's a replacement bulb for an 8-foot fixture. But they're just really cheaply made. See, all the guts of this thing are over here. So there you go. If you've got dead LED bulbs or fixtures, you can turn them into solar panels. And you think about it, you can mount that just about anywhere and collect sun energy. You could even put it on top of your pickup truck if you have an 8-foot bed and a cab. Well, that's all for today.